And it's the second video. Okay. Next video we can see if we can do refrigerated. Should we try?
I don't know.
If we get more than 10 views, we'll do it in the refrigerated. Y'all got until tomorrow. Okay? Okay, let's start. So I'll tell you from the last one. Ice Pop got a 20. So both of us, that means we gave it a 10 each. Oh, we got Metamoon this time too. Huh? Yeah, we got Metamoon. I've already tried it, but we're gonna.
Where did Metamoon go?
Huh?
Where did Metamoon go?
I don't know. But Ice Pop got a 20, so that means both of us gave it a 10. Strawberry got a 9 from each of us. And then the Grape got a 7 and an 8. No, it was a 9 and an 8. 9 and 8. So that was great. So then Tropical Punch got a 16, so that means it was 8 and 8. Blue Raspberry was 14. So that means 7, 7. Then Lemon Lime was 8 because I gave it a 1. Y'all saw that. And then Jen gave it a 7. Okay. Let's see what we got. Okay. Starting with bonus. Let's try it. Refrigerated. See if it was Let's see if Lemon Lime can come with a comeback. Yeah. We're not rating this one. We just... That's good. Okay, now we got, let's do Ice Pop. So, come on.
Okay.
Ooh, that's better. That was...
10. 20. That's a 20 for me.
Okay, both of us give it a 10, so that means...
I give it a 20.
No, you can't. It has to be...
I would give it an 11.
I guess. No, let's just give it 10. It can't go over than the 10.
I would give it 11. It's good, alright?
It's just 10. 10, so that means in the lead.
Yeah.
Let's go. Line. You better make a comeback, sir. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Definitely made a comeback. A little bit. And that's like a 2. Actually, maybe, yeah, an 8. Second place, or that means it's
Actually, I give it a 9.
Okay, so let's just say it's a 9. So that means 18. Let's grab Strawberry. Do you see it? That's a 9. It's 9. So every single one of these has to. So that means 9. This one has to be an 8 then. So each of these have a certain number of place. That means 8. It's an 8. Okay. So 10, 9, 8. So we can't. We have to give them the same. We gotta agree. Let's go Blue Raspberry. Okay.
Oh, wait.
7? 7 maybe? Okay, so that means 4th place.
Oh, God.
Wait. 10, 9, 8, 7. Okay. Let's grab this one. 6.
I got worse.
What?
It actually does taste like medicine now.
6. It's a 6.
Oh, God.
Tropical Punch. Wait, no, I'm here, tropical.
You got the orange.
Yeah. Hold up. 10, 11, 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay, this is a 5.
5.
Yeah, 5.
Actually, I go to 0.
Yeah, 0, so that means it's
I give
bad.
it a 5, actually.
So,
Wait, I give it a 0. Wait, I give it a 5.
let's just keep it 5. Okay, let's see. So, I mean, 5, wait, no, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So that means it can be lower than a 4. I was about to go like that. 4. That's a 4. Nah.
That's a 2.
Yeah. That's a 4.
That's a 2.
It feels like you're gonna throw up.
It's better not.
Wait, did you notice 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4? Grab a cup. It's time.
Oh my god.
I'm putting a little bit of each. Not a lot. Because last time we had to drink a lot. I had to. But you know what to do. Yeah, that's good.
That's good.
Yeah.
Don't put this one. Don't put this.
Why?
This one. So the color doesn't change yet. But all the ones that don't have a different color. Move, how did they're the ones I'm gonna put. And then we're gonna put those.
Oh yeah, because these are like white color basically. Okay, so it looks still yellowish. Oh no. Put a little bit. That's good. That's good.
Well, that's it. So let's just go for
We have to drink. Now we mix it with our sauce.
Oh my god.
That was good. Jen, you watch me pour that. Look at that. I finished all that. You can have the rest of that.
There's no more. No more fries.
Now I'm gonna finish all of these so I can put them in my collection. Mario Cabo, all of them mixed together. Which one was the one that tasted horrible? Which one? Hold up.
The one that tastes.
Oh, I forgot to put them back in order. That's why we had to do them in order. Ice Pop was a 10. What was 9? Wait, we could just upload the video.